Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moor Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for July 22nd going into the 23rd. We start off with natural gas. The maintained gap higher today, we saw the range expansion warned about. On June 1st, we held exhaustion with a 339.60 higher and rolled over 573 ticks. A number of other bearish calls in here. Those are all on hold. Then the trade above 285.50. Said warns a higher trade. We've seen trade up so far up to 295.10. A decent penetration above 292.90. Plus 0.5 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warrant of decent strength, a decent penetration. In there is going to be 34 ticks up until the 9 o'clock open. The maintained gap lower will leave a minor bearish reversal above tomorrow. If this starts a bona fide bullish correction, it should exceed 599 ticks from whatever the low is, which is currently 282.30. In the crude oil, a maintained gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff today. We held exhaustion with that 105.21 high and rolled over $38.17. A lot of other bearish calls in here. Those are all on hold. The trade back above 67.91 warrants a decent strength. You'd seen 20.7 coming into today, and then we also had a bullish formation left on the 7th, and then on the 8th I said we left a medium bullish reversal below that warranted a higher trade for days/weeks, and we've rallied $14.78 so far from there. Decent failure below 85.56 minus 0.5 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warrant of decent pressure, and decent failure below 84.03 plus 6.5 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Wednesday night will warrant of decent pressure. And I already said a maintained gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. In the RBOB, or unleaded gasoline, I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. The trade above 287.06 had brought in 60.94 cents coming into today, and a little bit more than that up to 329.61 or 329.64 rather. Decent trade above 331.99 plus 26 per hour will warn of continued strength. A maintained gap lower would leave a minor bearish reversal above. In the heating oil, trade above 320.04 has brought in $3.21 of strength. A number of other bullish calls in here, all rolled into the SEP. We have, however, broken below a bearish formation right here, which warrants pressure. If we break back above where that comes in at 410.74, plus 34 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m., that'll warrant of decent strength. And in the Brent, a maintained gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. We came just shy of exhaustion with the 70.14 low, and we rallied up to 95.78 with a number of other bullish calls in here. Decent trade below 91.23 plus 9 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time will warrant decent pressure. And in the gas oil, a maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. We are rolling into the SEP contract now. The break above 896.59. I brought in 350.16 to the upside. A number of other bullish calls in here. They all roll into the SEP. Decent failure below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 1170.48. Plus 106 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. will warrant decent pressure. A decent penetration in there overnight is going to be 10.5. If we break below there decently and back up through it decently, look for decent short covering to come in. And heading into tomorrow, the RBOB is the weakest of the three. The heating oil in the middle and the crude the strongest of the three relative to one another. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.